What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the next video in learning Python. My name is QDS Dani and you guys are watching my channel Koraiwood. So in this previous video we have shown you guys about introduce you guys regular expression, and as I promised to you guys, in this video I'm going to show you guys the regular expression, but we're going to do it with the search. So if you guys look in here, we have previously done a file input output, and I'm going to copy because I need this file, and I'm gonna copy everything here and I'm gonna put it in here. Okay, so keep in mind we have a file and our file resides here. We need this file. You guys can open another file, whatever file of your choice, up to you. And because we don't need this one anymore, we're gonna copy, we're gonna finish that one, we're gonna get rid of that one. Okay, so now here we have a file, we have a function, Koraiwood file, and my file open my just text, and as I said to you guys, for line in my file that read lines, and we're gonna put an end, and we're gonna see all our whatever we have written here. So I'm gonna go and run, for example, to make sure everything's working, and I have a regular expression search. So I'm gonna save this, and I'm gonna save this, and I'm gonna make sure that everything is fine. So we're gonna come here and we're gonna see our lines here. Okay, so now you guys can put more lines, up to you. So whatever lines you guys gonna put manually or through W, you guys can put a this is even bigger line. This is for our regular expression. This so you guys can put anything in lines, or you guys gonna invent some sort of story, or say for example big huge file. So we're gonna go on internet, so we put a nice story, for example. So here I'm putting here, say there is a nice story, or you guys can find some sort of file. Okay, so I found this one here. You guys can find some sort of text, or you guys can copy that one, and we can bring it, and you can paste it here. The line is so big, so we're gonna make it, say for example, this one here and this one here. We're going to make it this one here and this one here and this one here. So we have copied that one from internet. Keep in mind we need to do some sort of regular expression of this one, which one, because we are doing some sort of searching, and we're gonna come here and for example now we're gonna see our file. Then if you're gonna run, for example, and you're gonna see that the whole things appear here. Alright, so now how we gonna do, say for example, specific words if you guys want to search in the whole big documents. For example, if you guys got documents, if you're working on search engine, and you have a, instead of say here we have 100 words or something, you guys got 1,000,000. Then it's going to be impossible for you guys to find, say took such, for example. Say for example, if you guys wanna find yet enable or easily get, then you guys gonna come here in our, say for example, we want this one. If you want easily, is easily inside this the whole document, we want to see how many lines, which lines got this easily, for example. Okay, so how to do that? Now we're going to come here and open my.txt, whatever file first to begin with, and you guys are going to do that my pattern, for example, or my words. You guys kind of go to words to seek, and you guys going to choose re dot compile. What you guys going to compile, and you guys gonna put a whichever you guys want. You guys want, say easily, for example, easily. You guys want easily. So now here four line in my file, and we're gonna remove this one because we are not reading the line. Now we are changing this one. Say now we're gonna put it here, and now we need to add some search. So we're gonna say if and re dot search. So we're gonna put if re dot search, and we need to open the pattern, and we're gonna see that my word, which is our you guys can put a pattern. I just want to confuse you because a lot of programmers call this pattern. So you guys gonna put a my pattern, and then it's gonna be the line, because we are looking for this one and this one, and we are in if. So if the regular expression search pattern, which is this guy here, and the line which we are gonna iterate through the line, and then what we're gonna do, then we're gonna print the line. Then we're gonna print this line here. All right, so now we have effectively built a program to search this easily here. So now we're gonna run, and we're gonna see if we have any error, and it says nuts you have taken with easily to get your hands out. You will easily get your hands out. So now the regular expressions showing us that the line easily is here. So if you look in here, and it's showing this line, and you look in here, the entire line is shows here. Okay, so now how about if you go change this one and says we want this easily, and we want something else. Say for example we want something else, and we want for example draw. For example, we want to see draw, and we want to see easily. Okay, and now we're gonna run, and now you're gonna see that's when the draws here. The draw is that line. He could not draw his hands out again. There it stood. So it means that's our regular expression found that the draw is here, and easily is here. You guys can put more. For example, you guys can put a given permission. For example, we can add permission as well. So we're gonna put a permission, and we're gonna run to see if we can get a permission as well. And you go, if you look in here, it says permission, and it says that hands out, and you have taken this easily. So whatever you guys gonna put it here, there is gonna be or, and there is gonna be or. Whatever you guys gonna be here, you guys gonna see inside your line here. So you guys can see effectively in the big file. Say for example, you guys got a file with the millions of words. If you guys got a millions of words, finding just one word is going to be pain in the neck. And regular expression to the rescue. And as soon as you guys going to issue this command here, you guys are good to go. So you guys are just open the file, just put a pattern, and just run a for loop in my file, for line in my file, then run your irregular expression. So you guys used to put a my pattern, and you guys going to put a line, because you guys going to throw in the line, and you guys need to put the line here. How easy is this? All right, so I hope you guys like the video. As I said to you guys, this is the last video in our playlist, and the next playlist going Python OP, our Python object oriented programming. Okay, so what I'm gonna teach you guys in Python, there is a typo here. I'm gonna show you guys classes. I'm gonna show you guys constructors. I'm gonna show you guys destructors. I'm going to show you guys inheritance, polymorphism. So this is just a big subject that you guys need to learn, and I guarantee it's going to be more than 60 videos or 65 or 70, because this just the classes is a huge. I'm going to familiarize you guys with the object oriented. What is object oriented? Because object oriented classes have attributes and they have behaviors. Every objects have like I said, behaviors, and it has attributes, and you guys need to learn each. Alright guys, that's the video. Thanks for watching. Thanks for joining us all these many videos, and I hope by now you guys learn a lot, and you guys now feel comfortable with Python, comfortable with for loop, with functions, and with regular expressions, with all the things that we have gone through. So I can't wait to see you guys in Python object oriented programming, which is going to be the next playlist. Alright guys, that's it for this video. If you guys have any question or comment, leave it in comment box. Look after yourself and look after our channel as well, and I'll see you guys at the next playlist, which is object oriented programming, and bye.